What does AGI software do? Many know us for satellite visualization, but we offer so much more. We model and analyze land, sea, air, and space. We offer high-fidelity models with validated accuracy, and we are also extremely flexible and open. We're designed for external data for virtually any type of object, in any format, with any units, in any frame of reference. With everything fused into a single common environment, we analyze the interaction of all domains. For example, will this ship's radar detect that aircraft? Will a satellite sensor field of view see that ship? Can this UAV detect this ground vehicle and relay an RF comm signal through a satellite to a ground station with its current flight plan? Will terrain get in the way? Will weather have an effect on my comms? Will this jammer disrupt my mission? These are just a few of the many problems that our game-changing software can solve in all the phases of a program lifecycle. AGI software helps you make better decisions for things that move in space and time.